In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link EA account to Steam. By the end, your EA and Steam profiles will be connected so your games and entitlements work seamlessly across both platforms. Before we start, make sure you can sign into both accounts and be ready for any two-factor authentication prompts you've set up. First, open your web browser and go to ea.com. This is the official EA website, so always check the address bar to confirm you're on the real site before entering any passwords. Once you're there, sign into your EA account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon. If not, click Sign In and complete any verification steps. Next, head into your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking your profile icon in the top corner and selecting Account Settings. Inside Settings, look for a section called Connected Accounts, or sometimes it appears as Connections. The exact label can vary slightly, but both take you to the same place where you manage links to other services. In the Connected Accounts or Connections area, find Steam in the list. Click Steam, then choose Continue or Link. This will redirect you to a secure Steam page. Here, sign in with your Steam credentials and approve the connection. If you have multiple Steam accounts, take a moment to confirm you're signing into the one you actually want linked. This matters because a Steam account can generally be linked to only one EA account at a time. When the permission screen appears, review it and authorize the link. This step allows EA to recognize your Steam account so you can access your purchases and play EA titles through Steam without repeated sign-ins. After authorizing, you'll be brought back to the EA site. Return to the Connected Accounts or Connections section and verify that Steam now shows as linked. You should see a success indicator or a status label confirming the connection. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. Linking typically completes within a few moments, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.